All right, welcome back. When it comes to investing in your home, there's one renovation that can give you instant curb appeal. Joe Altman back again. Thank you so much from Integrity Homes Exteriors to talk about the increase they've seen in house siding requests this summer. Okay, so you think home repairs, you think roof, you think siding, but siding is really kind of taken off here.
It has, yes. So I think the biggest reason is people are wanting to stay in their homes because, finding a new home, there's not as many of them out there. And it's one of the best ways to get a new home without having to move any furniture. You can change the entire look of the home.
That's true. You're right. You're right. Okay, one of the things about Joe, we've had him on here for. Joe, again, how tall of a guy are you?
I'm 6'5".
Okay, 6'5". So it looks like a before and after photo between me and Joe when we're standing up. So I appreciate you sitting down. Speaking of before and after, you have a couple of pictures that we can take a look at here?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, there we go. So what are we looking at?
So we did new siding, new trim, new gutters on this house here. As you can see, there's a pretty stark difference.
Wow.
We tell some people, hey, make sure you remember your address because you may drive right past your house after that it's done. Really just makes a humongous difference. So curb appeal, siding makes up, probably 80% of the aesthetics of your home. And something as simple as brand new siding, although it's not the cheapest project in the world, it's definitely less expensive than a whole new house. So, we have crews that are out there. Biggest thing that will ultimately, though, affect the aesthetics of a siding project is how it's installed. So making sure someone is installing it properly to avoid things like waviness and, misaligned siding, or you've even seen houses where it's crooked and, a little OCD myself, that'll drive you crazy. So.
Yeah, so here's one of the things. There's a lot of people out there who are trying to make their living putting up home repairs, things like that, and God bless them. But you need to have a certified professional do this, and that's exactly what you guys are, right?
Yeah, siding is like a lasagna. There's so many layers. You have to, expect the water to flow downhill, and so which piece goes first, and having the proper underlayment and vapor barrier. So having certified installers is something that we spend a lot of time investing in. We have trainers who make sure people are doing it right. We have people on site to make sure the crew's doing it right and answering questions and making sure it's cleaned up well. So yeah, being certified and knowing what you're doing is really important, especially when it comes to siding.
And you mentioned it is, and as we saw in those pictures, it looks like a completely different home.
Yeah.
And it increases the value of the home, which is what everybody wants right now, right?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people will buy a home based off the curb appeal, or at least the look inside. And then getting rid of we get a lot of algae from the lakes around here, so getting new siding takes care of that, and fading and discoloring, and so yeah, it makes a big difference in the value.
The upkeep, the maintenance of siding, I mean, especially with the new materials, I mean, how often, like how old of a siding do you replace? Is it 10 years, 20 years, 30 years? What is it? So
we actually replace quite a bit. It depends on who installed it and what types of products they use, because not all siding is made the same. So we've installed siding that's 10, 15 years old from some new construction homes where the grade wasn't as high and the installation wasn't as well. But we've also installed aluminum siding from long before I was born. So
it's one of those things that we talk about a roof, and I think instantly people start thinking roof. Man, that is an expensive job, and it obviously you want to do it for the safety of the home and for that. But the siding is something. It's also a safety issue because you can get water on the inside, mold. I mean that's something that could be serious.
Yeah, very serious. And the more dangerous thing about siding is if your roof's leaking, you find out pretty quick. When your siding's leaking, it takes a lot longer to find out. So we've had homes where we've taken the old siding off and entire walls are rotten and covered in debris, and so usually you find it when you find mold in your walls or things like that. So vinyl siding is designed for water to go behind it, so making sure it's waterproofed. That's the other thing, looking behind, is there waterproofing there? If not, that's when you see a lot of that damage occur.
Depending upon the age of your house, I've seen houses where there might be a gap in the siding. Is it, how does that happen, and what do you do to fix that?
Yeah, great question. So siding, it will expand and contract because it's a vinyl material, and so the length to which you cut it, depending on the weather, is really important. So when it gets colder, it can contract slightly or it can shift. So if you cut it the wrong size, if it's really cold out when you're installing, when it hits summertime, that the length of it will change slightly, and the same in the summer. If you put the seams right up to each other, winter comes, they shrink slightly. So then you get the gaps everywhere. So it really, that comes down to the installation and someone who certified knows what they're doing. Sometimes if the gaps are really bad, kind of just got to redo it, unfortunately.
Right, and that's something that obviously, as we said, could lead to mold, which is something horrible. You mentioned something someone certified, which is you.
That's us.
What is the best way to get a hold of you and find out more information?
Yeah, so you can find us online. You can Google us. You can find us on our Facebook, social media. Our vehicles are driving around town. Yeah, so there's a lot of different ways. Just Google Integrity Home Exteriors and we'll pop up.
That is Joe Altman right there. Thank you so much for your information and your help here. Still plenty of stuff happening on the night today. Here's what's coming up in the next half hour.